Good morning everyone. Today's topic is gray code. Okay. So this gray code is also known as the unweighted code. It is also known as unweighted code. It is unweighted code. We can call it as unweighted code because there is no weighted to the position, the decimal digits. Okay. There are two important points in the weighted gray code. So first one is two successive values differ in only one bit. Okay, differ in only one bit. The next one is binary number is converted to gray code. Binary number is converted to gray code to reduce switching operations. To reduce switching operations. These 2 points are important points in the gray code, which we have to remember. The two successive values differs in only one bit. Okay, that binary number is converted to the gray code to reduce the switching operations. So okay, I will explain about these two points in tabular form. Okay. So let me write the first tabular form, then I will explain about those 2 points. Okay. First one is decimal numbers. Next is binary number. Next one is gray code. Okay. First one is 0. How do we write the decimal number in the binary form? 0 0 0 0. Name it as B3, name it as B2, name this bit as B1, name this bit as B0. Okay. In gray code also we can write the 0 as 0 0 0 0. This is G3, G2, G1, G0. Okay. Name like that. Name the bits like that. Okay. Then how do we write 1? 0 0 0 1. Here also 0 0 0 1. So if we take 2, how do you write 2 in the binary number system? 0 0 1 0. Okay. In the gray code we write like this 1 1. Okay. So why it is changed like this? I will explain in few minutes. After few minutes. Okay. So if you see the two successive values differs in one bit, right? If you see in the gray code, this one 1 1 is not changed. 0 1 only one bit is changed. 0 0 bit is not changed. 0 0 bit is not changed. When it comes to the binary number system, 1 0, how many bit? One bit is changed. 0 1 one bit is changed. Two bits are changed. 0 0 0 0. If we see two successive values, 1 2, other two successive values, how many digits, how many bits are changed differs. If you see in the number system, two bits are differing. So if we see in the gray code, only one bit is differing. Okay. One more point is binary number is converted to gray code to reduce the switching operation, right? So what is that? To reduce the switching operation. So to convert binary number to the gray code, so how many to reduce the switching operation? If we see, two bits are changing. If we see here, one bit is changing. Okay, one bit is changing. Okay, that's to reduce that switching operation. The gray code helps to reduce the switching operation. Now convert the binary number to the gray code. If we write 3, how do we write 3 here? 0 0 1 1. In gray code, 0 0 1 0. Okay. Take 4. How do you write 4? 0 1 0 0. In gray code, 0 1 1 0. In 5, how do we write? 1 0 1 0 1. In gray code, 0 1 1 1. Okay. So now I am writing the tabular form of gray code. Okay, from 0 to 16. So I will explain how these gray codes are coming from the binary numbers. Okay. 6 can be written as 0 1 1 0. Here 6 is written as 0 1 0 1. 7 is written as 0 1 1 1. Here 7 is written as 0 1 0 0. Here 8 is written as 1 0 0 0. Here 8 is written as 1 1 0 0. 9 is written as 1 0 0 1. Here can be written as 1 1 0. Okay. This is the write down all these gray codes from 0 to 16. I will explain how it is happening. Okay. Next one is 10. 10 can be written as 1 0 1 0. In gray code, it is written as 1 1 1 1. 11 can be written as 1 0 1 1. In the gray code, how do we write? 1 1 1 0. 12 can be written as 1 1 0 0. Can be written as 1 0 1 0. Okay. 13 can be written as 1 1 0 1. Here 13 can be written as 1 0 1 1. 14 can be written as 1 4 1 0. Here it can be written as 1 0 0. 15 can be written as 1 1 1 1. Here can be written as 0 0 0. 16 can be written as 0 0 0 0 1. Here all zeros. Okay. This is the tabular form of the gray code and binary numbers from the decimal numbers of 0 to 16. Okay. So I will explain now how to convert this binary number into the gray code. Okay. How is the tabular form, the gray code tabular form is happening. Binary number to gray code. So binary number to gray code. So we have to remember that 3 points to solve the binary number to the gray code conversion. Okay. First point is first we have to record the MSB as it is. Okay. Second point is add the MSB to the next bit. Okay. Then record the sum and neglect the carry. Okay. Repeat the process. Okay. First we have to record the MSB as it is. Add the MSB to the next bit. Okay. Then record the sum and neglect the carry and repeat the process. These are the three points which is useful to solve the conversion of binary number to the gray code. Okay. Convert 1011 to gray code. Gray code concept is very important in examinations. Definitely you will get one problem based on the binary to gray code conversion or gray code to binary conversion. Okay. So 1011. Okay. Name first bit as MS. This is the MSB. This is LSB. Name this is as B3, B2. This is B1, B0. Okay. So first point is record the MSB as it is. So record the MSB as it is. Okay. Record the MSB as it is. Then we have to add MSB. We have to add MSB to the next digit. To the next bit we have to add. We have to add +1. We have to add +1 to the 0. Next one. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay. Next add 0 plus 0. Then you get 1. Okay. Neglect the carries. Neglect the carry. Carry is 0. Here carry is 0. Sum is 1. So plus 1. 1 plus 1 means sum is 0. Carry is 1. Sum is 0. 1 plus 1 is sum is 0, carry is 1. So neglect the carry, take the MSB, take this sum. Okay, this is your gray code. Okay, so name it as G3, G2, G1, G0. So we can solve this problem like this also. We can solve this problem in another way. So let me see the another way. Let me see the another way of to solve the binary number to the gray code conversion. Okay. So this conversion can be performed as XOR gate. This conversion can be performed as a XOR gate also. So XOR gate tabular form is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. It is A B bar. Okay. This, if we see this, we are recording MSB of B3 as it is. That means G3 is equal to B3. Okay. Next one. We have to get the we want to get the value of G2. So how do we get it? So B2 XOR B3. B2 XOR B3. G2 G1 B1 XOR B2. G0, which is B0 XOR B1. Okay. If you see this, if you want the value of G0, okay, one XOR 1 is 1 XOR 1, which can be written as A XOR B. 1 XOR 1, which gives 0. Here 0. So G1 B1. This is B1. B1 value is 1. B2 value is 0. So B1 XOR 0. So 0 or 1. 0 or 1, which gives 1. Like that. So B2 XOR B3. B2 XOR B3. B2 value is 0. B3 value is 1. So 1 XOR 0, which gives 1. Okay. So G3 is equal to B3. Okay. So now our job is to convert the gray code to the binary number. In this conversion also we have the three important points. So we have to remember that three important points. So first one is so say repeat the MSB as it is. Okay. Step two is same, add MSB to the next bit of gray code. record the sum and neglect the carry. Next one is repeat the process. Okay. So let me solve the one problem based on the gray code to binary number conversion. So first problem is convert 1110 to gray code. So 1110, name this bit as G3, name this bit as G2, G1, G0. This is the MSB of the gray code. So first we have to record our first step is record MSB as it is. So MSB as it is. Next one is add MSB to the next of the gray code. Add MSB to the next of the gray code. So 1 plus 1 is sum is 0, carry is 1. Okay. So add 0. Add MSB and add MSB to the next bit of gray code. Okay. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Again add 1. You will get 1. Okay. This is the binary number. So this is name it as B3, B2, B1, B0. So you can write the Boolean expression of B3. B3 is same as G3. B2 is B3 XOR G2. G2 XOR B3. B3 is B1 is G1 XOR B2. B0 is G0 XOR B1. Okay, these are the Boolean expressions for the conversion of gray code to the binary number. Okay, so what is the value of the binary number? 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 11, so 11. So check the 11, check the 11 to the corresponding the gray code. If you see I have given the tabular form of gray code. If you see the 11 in the binary number, which has a corresponding gray code, which looks like this, which appears like this. Okay, 111110. So I have given one tabular form. Okay. For decimal number which is equal to 11, the binary number is equal to which looks like 01011. The corresponding gray code is 1110. Okay. Thank you.